Okay, so ward off energy. We're just going to go into a cross arm position, and I'm just going to gently touch his elbow. He's going to touch my elbow. Okay, so James isn't a Tai Chi player, so he's a Wing Chun guy, so he's just bear with me. All right, so from here, I want to just touch down and feel his heel, and then feel his toes, and just work my energy forward and backward on his feet. So the moment I go into his body, I loop down to the heel, and then I draw him onto the toes, and then I rock him backwards and forwards. I want to feel the front and back of his foot. This is really important because I've got to control that to load the leg if I want to make him to fly. If I just expand ward off straight off, he's going to float and there's no kinetic load in his legs. But if I go down and then circulate between heel, ball, compress, decompress, and fire energy out of his leg, you're going to get the effect that people want where, oh, he's flying away, it must be good. So this rolling down to the heel, pulling him onto the toes, and this forward-backward feeling, now I've got a connection to his legs and loading, and I can send the energy out. And most of the time you're going to have all these inner connections of front and back, and then you'll send your issue out. So when you're playing this type of energetic game, really feel that relationship from the front and back of the foot. When you take it through the back to the front and you issue, there's a punch in the legs, a piston that you can connect into to make the issue really long, if that's your goal. If you don't want them to move, you cut the hips, and then you make a short energy where you put your strike out. So I float the feet off so that they can't move, and then use your short striking energies, your cold energies to strike, your elbow stroke and so forth to attack your opponent. Much better for them not to move, obviously. Now, all your long energy, rebounding energy, they're for building fascia, for building power in your body. Martially, you're going to use the shorter energies to stop an opponent. So train lots and lots of the longer energies for building your mind substance, transforming into the yi, building power. Then take that big power, put it into a small place, and then you have a martial frame. Okay, thank you for your time, and see you in the next video.